Hey Jamie, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. So today I'm just going to go over a few tips that's going to help you to rank higher and get more of those organic leads. So we are on your website, as you can see. I like the Orange County background for sure. Looks really nice. You have a little bit of content here. Minimal amount of information about each of the services. Yeah, so you do have a little bit of content. Um, the key to ranking a website is content. Content is key. Um, the rule of thumb is your homepage should really have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words. And they need to go after the local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that your customers are actually going to be searching to find your services. Um, so the way that breaks down is about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Um, and the other issue that I see is that you don't actually have separate pages for your services. Your services need a separate page and their own content going after those relevant buyer intent keywords. And because you serve all of Orange County, you also need to have separate page for every single city that you service that has any type of search volume. So you should have several service area pages, and you're going to need content and a keyword strategy for each. So it's going to be really, really, really important to work on your content and keyword strategy so you can be found by the customer searching for your services. Google, they do not rank based on appearance. They use crawlers, which are like little mini robots that go and search and index each of your pages, and they're going through your content to pull out your keywords. So they can index you for those keywords so that when a customer does a search for your service in your service area, they can put your website in front of them. So without the content, there's no way for Google to index you and your customers to find you. So Allied is one of your number one competitors in Los Angeles. You actually have to analyze each service area individually, but for the Los Angeles area, these guys are your number one competitors. They have a pretty nice website, and as you can see, they have separate pages for everything. They have separate service area pages, um, separated for each different service that they offer. They're going after the buyer intent keywords, and they got a lot more content. So, in order to beat these guys, your content and keywords, that's going to be the biggest thing. You need more content throughout your entire website than these guys have throughout their entire website. Now, this is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website performs. Your domain or website has a rating of a 1.7 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow. And that is because of your backlinks and referring domains. You have 143 backlinks and a low score. That says that a lot of these backlinks are poor quality backlinks and no follows, which don't help you. They actually hurt your ratings. So you're going to need a lot more backlinks, and you need to have highly authoritative backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. So you need highly authoritative backlinks for your industry. Um, because you don't have a whole lot of content, um, you're not being found for a lot of keywords. So you're only generating about 48 people on average per month to your website. But when we look at your competitor, they have a domain rating of a 20, and that's with 700 backlinks. So with 700 backlinks, they really should have a higher rating, which says that they also have some no follows and spammy backlinks. But regardless, you need to have more backlinks and more quality, high authoritative backlinks. Because they have over 400 different pages and tons of content, they're being indexed for over 800 keywords, and they have over 700 people on their website each and every month. Now, backlinks, that's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant that website is to your website and your services, the more authority it gives you and the more power, and it pushes you up in your rankings. And finally, the last thing I wanted to mention is the Google My Business page, or Google Maps. So this is a highly competitive area, and it's very important in your strategy to be in the top 3 for your service areas and your keywords. Because 30% of people come straight here and they don't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're giving all of those hot leads to your competition. So in order to get in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest factor is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. You need a lot more of those citations than your top competitor. So when you follow all of these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 on Google in each of your service areas for your keywords. Now, I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback on your video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.